In a faraway land nestled between rolling hills and sparkling rivers, there lived a friendly dragon named Ember. Unlike the fierce dragons in stories of old, Ember loved to help the creatures of the forest with his gentle heart and kind spirit. Ember's home was a cozy cave at the base of the tallest mountain. It was filled with colorful stones and soft moss, making it a perfect place for resting after a day of adventures. Each morning, Ember would flutter out and stretch his shiny wings, ready to start the day by checking on his forest friends. One sunny afternoon, as Ember flew over the glittering river, he noticed a family of ducks quacking in distress. "Don't worry," Ember called out in his gentle rumble. "I'll help you rebuild." With careful precision, Ember collected twigs and reeds, his large claws working delicately. Soon, he crafted a sturdy nest on a safe, dry patch of land. The ducks quacked joyously, snug in their new home, and Ember's heart warmed with happiness. As Ember continued his day, he stumbled upon a young rabbit named Ruby, who was frantically searching for something. "I lost my favorite carrot somewhere around here," she squeaked with tears glistening in her eyes. "Let's find it together," offered Ember kindly. With his large wings, he gently lifted the fallen leaves while Ruby hopped alongside him, sniffing the air. Before long, they uncovered the carrot, and Ruby thanked Ember with a hug. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the forest, Ember returned to his cozy cave. Every night, Ember would gaze up at the star-studded sky and dream of the new friends he would help tomorrow. For in helping others, Ember discovered the truest treasure of all: friendship and love.